Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to recover deleted posts, photos, videos on Facebook. So let's get started. So if you want to recover your deleted posts, videos or photos from your Facebook, now to do that what you have to do is just simply open up your Facebook application, and after opening up your Facebook application just tap on the three bar icon or your profile icon which is on the top right. After tapping on that just simply tap on the gear icon which is also in the top right. From here just tap on account center, and inside your account center now you just have to tap on your information and permissions, and after tapping on that option from here you can download your information. So just simply tap on download your information, and from here just simply tap on download or transfer information, and then select your Facebook account and then tap on next. And after tapping on that now you just have to select options. So if you want to download all the available information you can do that, but if you want to download a specific information like your deleted posts, photos or videos, then what you can do is just simply tap on specific type of information. And after tapping on specific type of information from here you just have to select the information that you want to download. So you can download your posts, you can download your messages, and we are also trying to download our photos and videos. So what you can do is just simply check that option which is messages and then post, and after checking that you can also tap on see more, and after tapping on see more now you can download the following information. So just simply check for the informations that you want to download. So we are also trying to download our reels, so just simply select it, and also our stories. So also select that option, and after selecting all these options just simply tap on next, and after tapping on next just tap on this first option which is download to device and then tap on next. After doing that now from here what you have to do is just simply select the date range. So if you want to download the information from your past year, so you can just simply select the last year, or if you only want to download the information from the past 3 months, so you can select that option. So just simply select one of those options that you like and then tap on save. After tapping on save now you will be notified in the specific email that you will choose. So here you will find notify option. What you have to do is just simply select the email that you want to notified with, and after doing that you will receive a mail in that email address. So you can just simply select that, and here you will find format. Just simply select HTML format, and the quality you can select your quality. You can also make it high quality. So after making a high quality you might also download some extra videos that you might have added in your Facebook. So after doing that just simply tap on create file. After tapping on create file now your information has been successfully created. So you just have to wait for a while. You will receive a mail in the email address that you have just selected. What you have to do is just simply open up that email. So just simply open up your Gmail application and just simply select the information that you have just added. So just select the email that you have added, and over here you should receive a message from Facebook that your data is ready to download. So you just have to wait for a while and you will find the message. What you can do is just simply open it. So here you can see guys, I have received a message from Facebook that meta download request and copy of your information once we have finished creating this file. So they will send you a copy of the information once they will finish creating the file, and you will receive the message. And after receiving the message just simply tap on download, which you will find on that message, or you will find click here option. So just simply tap on that, and you just have to enter your account's email address and password, and you can download the information. So just simply go ahead and then do that, and you can easily download the information about your posts, videos, photos that you have added on your Facebook. So that's it guys, this is how to recover deleted photos, posts and videos on Facebook. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.